Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to voice chat in Claude AI, a full setup guide. Now, imagine being able to interact with Claude AI using just your voice, without the need for constant keyboard or mouse inputs. This can really streamline your experience, making it faster and more intuitive. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to activate voice mode, effortlessly speak your prompts, and let Claude AI generate responses for you, all hands-free. No extra clicks needed. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you need to open Claude AI in your web browser and initiate a new chat session. Once you've done that, pay close attention to the area near the message box. You'll notice an icon that looks like a voice meter or a microphone. This icon is your gateway into the world of voice mode. By clicking on this icon, you activate voice input. If this is your first time enabling voice mode, your browser might prompt you to grant permission to use your microphone. It's important to approve this request so Claude AI can hear you clearly. A quick tip here, always ensure that you're using your preferred microphone, whether it's the built-in mic on your laptop or a connected headset. Also, aim to be in a quiet environment to avoid background noise interfering with your input. When voice mode is activated, you'll usually see some kind of visual cue, like a waveform or a changing icon, indicating that Claude is actively listening. Now, you're ready to start speaking. Talk naturally and clearly, just as you would in a conversation with a friend. For instance, you might say, "Explain how GPS works." Feel free to add specifics to your prompts, like objectives or constraints, to help Claude provide a more tailored response. If you need a moment to think, brief pauses are perfectly fine. Voice mode is designed to handle natural speech patterns. Aim to convey complete thoughts so your prompt is as clear as possible, and try to minimize background noise. If your question has multiple parts, you can either say it all at once or pause between ideas to keep your thoughts organized. Once you're done speaking, there's no need to click a submit button. Claude will automatically detect when you've finished, transcribe your speech, and generate a response. You'll see your spoken words turned into text, followed by Claude's answer. If something wasn't captured correctly, maybe a name or number, just speak again to clarify or restate your prompt more precisely. You can keep the conversation going by using voice mode for follow-up questions in the same way. Just click the voice icon again, speak your next prompt, and let Claude do the rest. The less you have to switch between the keyboard and mouse, the more natural and efficient your interaction will feel. That's really all it takes. Enable voice mode using the voice meter icon, speak your prompt, and let Claude AI handle everything else automatically. To get comfortable with this feature, try practicing with a few different types of requests, whether it's explanations, brainstorming sessions, or quick summaries, to find the rhythm and detail level that works best for you. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to voice chat in Claude AI, full setup guide. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.